Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today for lunch I am having mac and cheese with a package of the tomato basil tuna. So I just mixed it all together with some butter. I don't have milk, so I use water. But and the tomato basil has other things in it too, like there's some olives or something in there and some peppers and things like that. So excuse the bowl. It was clean before I started mixing this all up. It's just that I mixed it in the bowl. See, there's some red peppers and things in there too. So it's really good. I do enjoy putting tuna in with my mac and cheese as well. But this just gives it a little extra flavor. Alright, everybody. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.